Hello, how is everybody days going? I hope everyone enjoying this weather that we having. Okay, today I will be addressing the crack epidemic on poor black communities. Richard Nixon called for war on drugs. He wanted to prove that the enemy was within the illegal drugs. During Ronald Reagan's presidency, he built a racial outlook of people of color. On October 21st, 1982, Ronald Reagan announced his administration war on drugs. Between the years of 1980 through 1984, the FBI anti-drug law went from $8 million to $95 million. In 1996, President Bill Clinton, Policy 10, Temporary Assistance of Needy Families, designed for a 5-year lifetime on welfare, such as receiving public housing and public benefits. The war on drugs became a black man's American nightmare. The goal of war on drugs was to put black fathers away for providing for their children and for themselves. In 1985, an estimated 500,000 people are in jail for drug offenses. 90% of people admit to drug offenses, which were black and Latino. The ending of 2007, 7 million black men were in jail, probation, or on parole. I would say the new form of Jim Crow is to label a black father or black man as a felon, to marginalize him from having certain opportunities. That is the wrap up. I hope everybody give me feedback, give me your comments on this video, and I will be back with more videos. Follow my media. Instagram, I am Black Pan-Africanist. Twitter, Pan-Africanist_. I hope everybody enjoyed their day. It's pretty warm out still. I hope everybody get out and do something fun, do something productive, do something positive. And I will be back with another video. All right, peace.